Motorola's iconic Razr flip phone just got a 2025 upgrade with AI. Meet the new Motorola Razr, where classic design meets cutting-edge AI. This isn't just a reboot, it's a revolution. With AI tech from Perplexity, Meta, Microsoft, and Google, this phone does more than flip. It thinks. Imagine this. You're looking at your phone, and it knows. It can suggest actions based on what's on your screen, summarize your notifications, and even help you design that perfect party invite by analyzing your browsing history. Motorola's multi-AI approach sets it apart from Apple and Samsung, bringing you a personalized and intuitive experience. It's like having a tech-savvy best friend in your pocket. But what does this mean for you? More choices, more innovative features, and a peek into the future of smart technology. So, are you ready to flip back to the future? The Motorola Razr with AI is here to change the game. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest in innovation.